the secret tips to make your kitchen life easier.
If you can think and talk about food the entire day, ये इवेंट तो आपने मिस की ही नहीं होगी. Food stores, cooking, cocktails and MasterChef. The scene was set for the inaugural Great Food Show.
I think the Great Food Show is the ultimate showcase for food and wine in the country, and there's an amazing lineup of artisanal as well as well-known brands, and there's an amazing lineup of chefs. We have 17 chefs doing live master classes. So I think overall it's a very, very interesting and dynamic experience, and I'm thrilled to be a part of it.
Sounds fantastic. और अगर आपने इसे मिस किया, then let's explore what is in store for you foodies out there. ये थी एक perfect opportunity for manufacturers and producers to display, interact and surprise the visitors with a twist of something new.
It's a light, refreshing, very easy drinking. It's a fermented apple juice with alcohol content between 4 to 8%. Lovely drink for the hot weather in India. I'm part of the La Bottega del Gusto team. We represent the finest food brands from across the globe, such as Belloir, we have Dolce Vita olive oil, Eat Natural bars, Dorset cereal.
We are offering 9 different flavors, and we are dealing with the authentic masterclass.
We make everything eggless and we don't use preservatives. We also make pure coated chocolates.
We mainly specialize in miniature cookies. We also do red velvet cakes and cupcakes and other short glass desserts. Everything of ours is strictly vegetarian.
It is gluten-free.
Everything is homemade, so then it's touch of love.
These are just small, you can pop them in your mouth.
It is a cholesterol-free, and it's 100% vegetarian.
They are damn yummy. Even though they're eggless, people have a mindset that, oh no, eggless stuff is not yummy. But trust me, you should taste this.
Marble-sized little balls of butter and flour and sugar.
Unique producers और innovative products को explore करने के बाद, we turn our heads towards the highlight of the event, the Masterclass.
All I'm doing is just, like the way you hold a cricket bat. Yeah? Cool. तो पहली बारी थी the very dynamic Ajay Chopra and the versatile Vicky Ratnani की. Tomatoes and wine cooked together is a dangerous combination, but if cooked well, very tasty combination. Next in line, charming Kunal Kapoor and the overseas tadka chef Alex. Probably the thermos that I'm using is probably one of the finest, best. Half teaspoon डालो will give you the color. Look at the recipe, but don't get blinded कि बिल्कुल ऐसा ही करना है. Spain is the second country after Japan who eat more kilos of seafood per person per year. और अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि सिर्फ serious cooking हुई, please have a look. At any point you think that I'm embarrassing you, just let me know. I feel good. Smells good, looks good. Yeah. What about some more wine? What we are doing for us, at least is a great dish. At least for my taste. Make sure it's cool. Another 5 minutes. Keep going yo. There was no doubt that the audience had a wonderful experience. But what about the chef? कैसा था उनका experience? बहुत ही मजेदार जगह है. There is good food, good people, good weather, and everyone is having a good time. This is a great opportunity for all the people who love about good food and good living to come here together. A lot of good people around showing what they
offer to society and to chefs. We all doing workshops down there, so I guess it's a movement towards good food and good living.
बहुत ही यूनिक इवेंट है, बहुत ही इंजॉय किया। 17 शेफ्स आए थे, सारे दोस्त हैं, सबसे मिलना जुलना इस टाइप से कभी कभार हो पाता है, तो बड़ा मज़ा आया। किसी से निकल के कभी हमें पार्टी करने का मौका मिल जाता है, तो सबके साथ इंजॉय किया, थोड़े से अपनी नॉलेज सबसे साथ शेयर की। That's the best way to do a food show, I think.
We made Spanish food with influences we've got the roots of Spanish food, but with touches from different areas. I mean, that we're working with three products.
It's a fantastic experience where a lot of turnout, a lot of people to come and visit the stalls and to see the master classes. I think it's very heartwarming and overwhelming to see so many people interested in food now. The best part about the show, obviously, it's a completely vegetarian show, and this is for the first time that something like this is happening.
The whole event, I think that it was, we're talking with Son, it was a great experience, you know.
The exhibitors were happy, the chefs had a wonderful time, and the visitors, did they have fun? Let's find out. Everybody's enjoying eating stuff, and even I'm enjoying. I'm a foodie, complete foodie. There's a variety of counters, good food, healthy food. We've loved the different stalls. We're looking forward to Vicky's class now at 3:30, connecting so many people, whether it's master classes, to different kind of stalls, the varieties that you get to see. I think it's a fab job done here. When I came here, it was not only cooking, the entire show, the way it has been put up. Like the different stalls, the third floor event, where we can taste different things from different places. That's awesome. I think India is at its most exciting where food is concerned at the moment. We've got everything happening. We are discovering our own roots of our own cuisine, and we are also exploring world cuisine. It's brought together chefs from all over India, brilliant chefs like Chef Manish Mehrotra, Chef Abhijit Saha from Bangalore, Chef Kunal Kapoor from Delhi. It's a great chance for people who enjoy food to interact and learn from all of these great names under one roof. Great food, innovative products, some fun cooking and loads of visitors. The first leg of the Great Food Show ने सेट किया है एक नया benchmark. Some delicious food, lots of new places, chefs, bloggers और बहुत कुछ. हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे इस tantalizing journey को next week only on Food This Week.